Hello and welcome to the first series of videos that I have for Chapter 1. We have 5 exercises for the homework assignment for Chapter 1. So I'll go through each one of these exercises in Excel and show you how you would do this. This also is going to help you review Chapter 1 and prepare you to do the homework on Connect. So let's get started with exercise 1-5. Here we have Cougar Accounting Services that provides low-cost tax advice and preparation to those with financial need. At the end of the current period, the company reports the following. Assets are $19,000, liabilities are $15,000, revenues are $28,000, and expenses are $33,000. They want us to calculate the net loss and the stockholders' equity. So there are two things that they want us to calculate. So from the information that's given over here, they're basically talking about the two financial statements, the income statement and the balance sheet. In the income statement, we have revenues and expenses. So I have my notes over here, and here's what I'm going to write. I have revenues and expenses. I subtract the expenses from revenues. So revenues less expenses, that's going to give me the net income for this problem. So revenues are 28,000. All right, the number 28,000. And expenses, I'm going to do less expenses. So I'm going to put that as a negative number, minus 33,000. And I'm using Excel, so I will just use the summation function to arrive at 28,000 minus 33,000. I have a loss of 5,000. The word net income is generic. If it's a net profit, this number would be positive, which means revenues would be greater than your expenses. If it's a net loss, it's your expenses are greater than your revenues. So in this case, it's a net loss. We have a negative number over here. Now in the balance sheet, we have assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. So let's see what I have over here. Balance sheet equation says assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. I've been given assets are 19,000 and the liabilities are 15,000. So this is a fairly simple exercise where they've given you in the equation, there are 3 variables. 2 of them have been given. You need to calculate the third one. So we have assets are 19, liabilities are 15. So if I put it in the formula, it is 19 equals 15 plus equity. Just rearrange the terms or however you want to do your basic arithmetic. Subtract 15,000 from both sides to be left with your stockholders' equity. So I have 19,000 minus 15. That'll give me my stockholders' equity. Therefore, my stockholders' equity is $4,000. So this is a fairly simple exercise in which you're looking at the income statement and the balance sheet at a highly summarized level. Again, in the income statement, revenues minus expenses gives me net income. In the balance sheet, we have assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Plug in the numbers, and you're done with this exercise.